Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Satoru Inu. Satoru Inu right now, a couple of minutes ago, listed on CoinGecko, and we have already a small pumping situation. And it is this token, it is an ERC20 token, so you can swap this token on Uniswap. So let's have a look. SatoruToken.com, what their website offers us. Innovative initiation. Welcome to Satoru Inu, a community-driven platform sanctioning people of all backgrounds to true financial freedom. Satoru was built with love to emphasize community trust and health innovation. The Sato token is our equilibrium. The smart contract was built on the ERC20 blockchain with great tokenomics and anticipation. With locked liquidity and fully transparent and innovative team, Sato is a very safe and beneficial token to hold. But shill and chill as your balance increase with our 2% reward system. So they have a 2% reward system. Let's see exactly what it's meaning. Every transaction is governed with a 2% tax to automatically distribute to and reward our pocket of loyal holders. This translates to a passive income system in which your balance increases with every transaction. Whale defense, another 4% is taxed to increase the liquidity pool and for the betterment of conversation rates on decentralized exchanges. This also creates anti-reg to make sure whales don't have power on us. Utility development, the final tax of 4% is to make sure the devs will be able to match their innovative mindsets to better the project, comfort the holders, and maintain a solid overall outlook for the future, guys. We have here Sato Samurai, a play-to-earn game with awesome upgradable characters. Created for competitive and casual play, you can play, fight, and earn Sato token while you create your My Samurai and upgrade him to the top. Explore the Satoverse and meet with your friends in virtual reality. So that sounds nice. They also want to create here Sato Pay and Sato Wallet. Here's the roadmap, or they call it the moon map. The Satoru team. No faces yet, but we have here 3 people which you can contact directly on Telegram. Tokenomics. Yes, guys, that's it for now. So we're having a new project listed right now on CoinGecko a couple of minutes ago. They have a Telegram group. If you have more questions, you can view them in Telegram. You can meet them there. 190 right now online, 720 members, and for sure they have followers over 3,000 on Twitter. And let's have a look on the final chart right now. Very interesting to see. Their token get listed a couple of minutes ago, but they are already on the blockchain on 12th of this month. So that means 4 days ago they are on the blockchain just. So it is a fresh token. You can see here some massive gains, but also some massive sells. So some people just want to make here the quick profit and sell these things very quick. So it's your decision what you do, guys. Throw some money inside, you know what I mean. Not all of your money, just a little bit. You want to survive, you want to pay your kids the school, and don't throw too much inside. Liquidity right now is 460,000 liquidity they have. Trading volume 875,000 the last 24 hours. So that's it for now, guys. Tell me what you think about Satoru Inu. Just another meme token, or you think he's going more behind the scene? He's going more on behind the scene, and you are already invested or not, or you will invest or not. Guys, let me know, let the community know what you think about this project, Satoru Inu. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, and see you later, alligator. Bye.